Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. Today we are talking about sprucing up a salad. And that, my friend Corey from NeoTrust is helping us do, right, Corey?
Yes, we are.
All right, let's talk about this process because who is the star of the salad?
So the real star of this salad is going to be the pickled carrots here.
Okay.
So what you're going to start off with is just taking some large carrots and slicing them really finely. Take that, put it in a bowl, add your vinegar. You're going to add equal parts water, salt, pepper, and about a 1/3 cup of sugar. You're gonna put that all into a bowl, mix it up, and let it sit overnight.
Okay.
Now you're also gonna wanna add some pistachios and some sliced dried fruit. We use plums in this one, but you can also use dates or any other of your favorite.
Delish.
Put that in as well. I like to put it in the day of serving the next day, but you can also put it in the night before.
Okay, now let's talk about this dressing because this dressing is fabulous as well.
Yeah, so this is a fantastic vinaigrette that you can make really easily. You're just gonna start with vinegar, oil, add your Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and ginger. Throw that all into your container, shake it up, and it's gonna make everybody happy.
It's gonna make me happy because I'm adding it to my salad.
It's delicious.
So where did you get your love for food?
Yeah, so growing up, my mom used to cook a lot, so definitely learned from her, baking, entered a lot of stuff in the state fair, but definitely got the love for cooking from her.
Well, Mom did a great job. And you're a transplant, right?
Yeah, we actually just moved out here from Orlando, Florida. We're here with our business, NeoTrust, and essentially what we do is we provide digital document security, and we back your stuff up on the blockchain.
Oh my gosh, and you make a fabulous salad. I could see steak on this. I could see some shrimp on this as
add
well.
any meat of your choice and it makes it a whole meal.
This spruces up your salad for sure. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to try this and learn a little bit more about Corey and NeoTrust. This is good.
Glad
this
you like
is really
it.
good. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Acme Cabinet Company and Clothes Mentor.